Hey guys, so this is my first ever video and I am going to be trying to make for slime out of Sweep Essentials Ocean Breeze body wash. See? Oh, let's get one right there. Yep. And some natural sea salt. So let's get on to the video. So here I got so what you'll need is the body wash, salt, something to mix with, a bowl. Food coloring is optional, but if you would like it, you can have it, and something to mix the food color with. So first we need to add the soap. So you just follow it and pour it right on in. Come on, soap work. So then you want to take, well, you can mix it if you would like, but I wouldn't suggest mixing it yet. So just take about a handful of salt. I don't know if you guys can see it, but so I'm just going to mix it up a little bit first. So it's like that. Then you sprinkle the salt in. And you just basically mix it up for a little bit. So, and if you guys want music, I'll put on music. So then you come and start getting this like jello texture. And you want the jello texture, so just like keep on mixing it. So if your slime is too watery, just add more of the Ocean Breeze. If your slime is too sticky, add more Ocean Breeze. But if you want it more stickier, you add more salt. So just keep on adding salt in there, and so now would be the good time to add it, the food coloring. So here, as you can see, I chose lemon yellow. And sorry about the commercials you hear in the background, it's just from the radio. The two Georgia natives are nominated for the ACM Vocal of the Year for this song, What If? You say, what if I hurt you? What if I leave you? What if I find somebody else and I don't need you? Okay, so there's that. And if you guys ever get confused, you guys do have to clean up your mess afterward, and you have to eat it probably without your parents without your parents' guidance. So yeah. So mine came out like a greenish because I added blue and yellow. So I'm gonna go right ahead and add a little more of this. And just so you know, guys, just so you have room in your freezer, you do have to put this in the freezer. So. And I hope you guys like country music, because that's the kind of music that I put on, so, yep. So still, you have this like jello texture. You can see if it's sticky or not. See, mine it isn't, but unless you try and pick it up, so, yeah, so. just want to keep on mixing it up for 2 to 3 minutes. Be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so I've been mixing it for like 2 to 3 minutes, and it's turned out like this so far. This gloopy texture. Yeah, so I'll make it so you guys can see a little better. Like that texture. And so that's the texture it's gonna be. So for when you want it to be, and it also can be a gloopy mass. So let's just go. Now you guys have to go and put it in the freezer for exactly 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go do that. So I'm back, and my stuff I just put in the freezer. So I will show you this stuff. Well, I did 2 of them. This is the one from way earlier today. So this is what the one from earlier today turned out like. I think I added a little too much of the shampoo. So this one from earlier today, it's a fail, but I don't know what the other ones are. So I also tried making flowers in water slime, and this is how it turned out. I'm not completely done with it, but like that. So I don't know if you guys can see, but most of the flour isn't grounded up, so I just happen to have water in my room, so let's keep on adding water. And if you guys could, please give me a like and tips on how to film a YouTube video better than this, because this is my first time, and yeah, so let's go and do this. I'm going to turn down my radio. 1037. I don't know if you guys can still hear that or not, but yeah, so now we're just gonna mix the flour and water together really, really good. So I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm back, and I have the slime, the flour and water slime mixed in. So now I'm gonna go right ahead and add some food coloring in. So yeah, the food coloring's mixed in, and now we're gonna go right ahead and mix. Well, I put it in, so now we're gonna mix it up. So as you can see, there's some swirls. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare in my bedroom, but there's some swirls here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more. What? Okay, so I'll be right back. My sister's calling. Okay, so I'm back, and I have a special guest that just came in my house. Come on in, Annie.
What up, guys?
So this is my sister, Annie, and if you can't tell, even by the size difference, we're both on our knees, and she's a year older. Okay, so as we were gonna, so this is the flour and water stuff, but the other stuff is out of the freezer. So let's go ahead and get it. Annie, get that one.
Here's the gooey. I don't know what it is. I just gave myself.
This is flour and
But
water.
I guess it's like a slime thing. I'm not sure.
So this is what it turned out like. So let's mix it around and see. Oh yeah, this is definitely slime. So it's like a goopy, but it's holding it together. And now
It's poop slime.
now Annie's gonna mix for a little bit. Annie, I have a table for a reason.
So it's like, I don't want to touch it. It looks like puke. But it's like gooey.
So I'll go right ahead and touch it. So yeah, this isn't slime. This is slime, and it's barely sticky.
Jello.
Yeah, it's like it looks like the lime Jello. So Annie will be right back. So I'm just gonna pick this up and. So yeah, as you can tell, this somewhat worked. Once I picked it up, it was like gooey, but it was really cold because it just got out of the freezer. So yeah, so there's this one. Like this. Oh no, it got off my hands and out of the bowl. So yeah, this is how this one turned out. Out of me trying to make slime with no glue for the first time, I think this is pretty good. But if you were like to go and play with it like all the time, I won't suggest that. You could make it in any color you want, and you could stack different ones of them and make it a room decor or something. So yeah, I don't have enough. My hands are covered, so I can't pause this to do something. So I'll be right back because I'm just gonna go for there. Where am I put paper towels on? Where did I put my paper towels? So, yeah, so you guys will be occupied with hopefully Annie soon. So I'm just going to keep on playing with this until Annie returns. Oh, yeah, by the way, I'm Courtney. So, yeah. So Annie's back, and she is going to go and possibly find my paper towels, please. Okay, so she's finding my paper towels, and I'm just going to continue to play with slime. That turned out very bad. So as you can see, this slime is melting. Thank you, Annie. Huh?
How long's your video been?
I don't know, like 15 minutes.
That's what I'm gonna You have to edit. Here.
And so, Annie, I have to get all this slime off my hands, so you won't see my face for a second.
Go.
Okay, so Annie's gonna finish off this video, and in my next video or my next couple videos, I will tell you how my thingy's been. But when you play with it, your hands will turn this color. So Annie, I can't pause it. So bye, guys. Annie.
What up, guys? So she is going to wash her hands, and so she's gonna do that. But please like and subscribe, and comment down below. And before I go, this is a flower sign, and it's like pretty good, thick. So comment down below, like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.